Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error, that is we can't find your camera, and the error code is 0xA00F4244. So if you're receiving this error message whenever you try to open camera on your Windows 10 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now there are multiple steps, so at the end of each step try to launch camera. Still you're facing the problem, then move on to the next step. So the first step is to make sure the camera app is on Windows 10. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on privacy, scroll down, and here you will see the camera. So click on camera and make sure the camera is on. So click on change and make sure this is on over here, and also make sure that option which says allow apps to access your camera is also on, and make sure the camera is on here. So make sure that everything is on, and then you can go ahead and try to launch camera. And still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and reset Windows 10 camera app. So to reset camera, go to the start menu, then open settings once again, go to apps, and then scroll down and find camera. So here you can see camera, and click on advanced options, scroll down, and then click on reset. So here you can say this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So click on reset. And once the reset is done, try to launch the camera. Still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and update your webcam driver. To update your camera driver, open device manager. So on the start menu, make a right click, then click on device manager. Then find your camera in the list. So here I can see the camera. So expand it. You might find the camera under the cameras, or you might find imaging device in the device manager. So select your camera, then make a right click, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. Click on it and it will go ahead and install the camera driver. Then restart your computer and then try to launch camera. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and uninstall the webcam driver and then restart your computer. So open device manager once again, go to the start menu, open device manager. Now go to camera, find your camera once again, and then make a right click on your camera, and then click on uninstall device, and then click on uninstall, and after the uninstall, restart your computer. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, and then click on restart, and after the restart, the Windows 10 will automatically install the default camera driver, and then you can go ahead and check your camera after the restart. Now the next step is to run Windows Store troubleshooter. To run the troubleshooter, go to the start menu, click on the settings, then click on update and security, then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter. Now I scroll down and find Windows Store apps, click on it, then click on run the troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is done, go ahead and restart your computer and then try to launch camera. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and turn off your antivirus program. So if you have any antivirus running on your computer, so go ahead and turn it off when you open camera. So you can go ahead and check if you have any antivirus running. So make a right click. So go ahead and turn off your antivirus program till the time you are using the camera. And still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and update your latest camera driver and BIOS from your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have Lenovo computer, then go to Lenovo website. If you have HP computer, go to HP. So whatever is your brand, go to their website. So for example, I'm showing for Dell. So I will go to the Dell website. Just for example, I'll show you how to go ahead and download the driver from system manufacturer website. So if you have HP, Asus, Lenovo, go to their website. Then select your model number, whatever is your model number. So this is just an example. So go ahead and select your model number, then go to drivers and download, find camera. So go ahead and click on download. Now once the download is complete, you have to go ahead and run the exe file, and then you have to go ahead and install the camera driver. And once the installation is done, go ahead and update your BIOS too. So select BIOS, then go ahead and click on download, and then update your system BIOS. Now before you update the system BIOS, just make sure that the battery is more than 10% on your computer, and the AC adapter, the charger, is connected to your laptop. In case of laptop, make sure the charger is connected and the battery is more than 10% on your computer, and do not disconnect all the external devices from the computer. So if you have any external hard drive, flash drive, any USB cable, go ahead and disconnect all the external devices from the computer, and then make sure the battery is more than 10% and the charger is connected to your computer, and then go ahead and update the BIOS. And after updating the BIOS, go ahead and check your camera. Now if you have MSI laptop, for few model number, I have seen that when you press FN plus F6, it enables the camera. So you have to press and hold the FN key, and while holding the FN key on the keyboard, you have to press the F6 key on the keyboard, which will go ahead and enable and disable the camera in case if you have MSI laptop, and that is only applicable for few model number. I'm not sure about all the model number. Now in case if you have Asus computer, again for few model number, I have seen that if you press F10 key, it will go ahead and enable or disable the camera. Now if you have HP laptop, for few HP laptop, I have seen it has a camera kill switch on the side of the laptop. So if you look at the right or left side of the laptop, you will find a camera kill switch, and this is again applicable for few model number. So you have to go ahead and slide it to enable or disable the camera on HP laptop. Now sometimes the camera is also disabled in BIOS, so go to the system BIOS and make sure that the camera is enabled in the BIOS. The next step is to update Windows 10. To update Windows 10, go to the start menu, then click on settings, and then go to update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then check your camera. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and perform system restore. To perform system restore, go ahead and type in system restore in Windows search, and then click on create a restore point. Then under the system protection, you will find system restore. Click on system restore, and then select the second option which says choose a different restore point. Click on next, and then you have to go ahead and select the date on which the camera was working fine. Suppose you started facing the problem with the camera today, you started receiving the error today, then select the date for yesterday or maybe day before yesterday. So just make sure that you're selecting a date on which date the camera was working fine. Then click on next, and then click on finish. And once the system restore is done, you can go ahead and check your camera. Now if nothing is working, then go ahead and reset your computer. To reset your computer, before you reset the computer, let me inform you that you will lose the data on the computer. So just make sure that you back up all your data before you go for reset. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, then go ahead and go to update and security, then click on recovery, and then click on reset this PC, and here you can see the option which says get started. Now once you click on it, you will see two options which says keep my files. It will remove apps and settings, but it will keep your personal file. The second option is remove everything, which will remove all the personal files, apps and settings. So whatever option you want, go ahead and select it and proceed with the reset. But just to make sure, to be on safer side, just make sure that you back up your data, because you might lose the data on the computer. I'm not sure about this. So go ahead and reset your computer, and still you're facing the problem. After the reset, you have to go ahead and set up your computer as you have set up the computer for the first time. So you have to go ahead and start it from the scratch. So after the resets, you just log into your computer and then check the camera. That should go ahead and fix the problem if nothing works. Now in case if there is any kind of hardware failure with the camera, then go ahead and run the hardware test, and then if you find any kind of hardware issue with the camera, then you have to go ahead and contact your system manufacturer, and they will help you with this. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.